It's my 17th birthday. Now it's time to blow some shit up with some airbags. Here we go. Did anybody need an airbag? We have 3 airbags and a mini refrigerator and a crashing lawnmower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody doesn't know how to wire right. 3, 2, 1. Shit!
Oh, Pat, you can sit on that.
Pat, that was 3 of them. Pat, you can sit on it.
Well, it blew the thing out. It blew the thing out first.
You can sit on it.
Here's the remainings. It blew that up pretty good.
Here, make sure it's unplugged.
It's all unplugged.
It's unplugged.
We got a big Ford airbag. We're gonna put it under a Craftsman lawnmower.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
With aluminum deck.
Here, go. You grab those.
3, 2, 1. What the hell?
Boom!
What? 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Pat, sit on it!
That threw that thing like 10 feet in the air. Holy shit, the deck blew apart. That reeks.
Alright, look where the fucking thing went.
Some damage.
Back up.
Blew the front 2 wheels off too. 3, 2, 1.
Nothing?
There! Holy shit!
Play ball!
Holy hell!
What's next? Play ball.
Holy frick!
Jesus.
Let's do this one again.
That thing blew it apart.
Big one.
Holy shit, dude. It's fucking
Unplug.
crazy.
2, 1.
Oh. See, Pat, that's not that bad.
Damn it! Here's the axle to the lawnmower. Here, throw the axle on too.
Put it on the engine.
There you go.
Alright, well.
What else can we throw on there?
No, you're good.